Hey guys, before I get into the next episode for the renovation series, I wanted to just jump in and say welcome to my channel. I know I got a shout out from Scott Brown on one of his recent episodes. I know a lot of you have come from there, so I thought I'd do a quick hi, tell you a little bit about me and what it is that I do. Obviously, my name is Chris. I'm a carpenter located in Nelson, New Zealand, and I've been in the industry for 17 years. I went from a joinery workshop to a commercial site building a water treatment facility to residential houses where I started my apprenticeship, and from there I moved on to a company that was doing a wide range of work, going from small renovations to apartment buildings. A few years ago, I decided I wanted to start my own building company, and I've gradually grown from doing small handyman jobs to small renovations to what I'm doing now, building custom houses for clients. Making videos is a hobby of mine, and when I started posting videos on Instagram, they were well received. So I continued, and I have been growing on social media platforms, mostly on Instagram, and now I'm starting to grow here on YouTube. So I'm using my skills on site and my hobby of video making to produce content that is helpful for the industry and enjoyable to watch. During that time, I've been collaborating with different brands, different organisations, which is set to continue. It's an ongoing thing, and I have the goal that via social media, I want to bring relevant information to help improve the quality of work and the quality of the environments in the building and construction industry in New Zealand. So once we're done with the renovation series, the next series is this new build that I'm currently working on, and my wife and I are finalising our plans and our designs for our own build, which is definitely going to feature heavily in our content. So we're really excited about that. It's the first time we're building for ourselves. We're putting a lot of thought into what we want to do and how we want it to look. So thank you for subscribing. Thank you very much, Scott Brown, and also Gaston for the mention recently. Really appreciate it, guys, and appreciate your work. So if you've seen this video and you haven't subscribed, click subscribe, click notifications. There's more and more content that's coming. I'm really excited about what the future holds for us here at Chris Builders and beyond.